I had a great experience working with CustomFurnish for our villa. Entire team, including the marketing, design, and installation team, were very friendly and professional, and paid utmost detail in every aspect. So, a couple of aspects which I impressed most were, the design team approach with their personalization and customization, taking the details of the, from the customer on the design aspects. I remember an instance working with Prem the entire day where he picked up all the design requirements very patiently, and we were able to execute, almost the design. Design outcome was exactly what we intended, and then it looks very beautiful. The second aspect I was really impressed is their commitment to deliver within 21 days. And in my case, I was very happy to tell you that they were able to execute the whole project within 11 days. So overall, I had like a really great experience. The overall staff were very friendly, professional. They were like very approachable. If you have anything in between, they were very approachable to solve the issues. Then overall, I recommend Custom Furnish for anyone who is looking for reliable interior designers. Thank you.